Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making 3 fidgets. So all you'll need for the first one is some googly eyes. I have 4 because I'm going to make like, I don't know, something. So first you're going to put them on a piece of paper. Okay, here I'll show you. Like that. And then you're just going to like trace it out, but not the circles, like a shape around the googly eyes. Okay. Okay, so now you're just going to cut it out. See? Okay, so now you can decorate it. We'll just do like little hearts around it. You can pause the video or speed it up if you want to. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And almost done. Okay, so here I decorated it. Little hearts. Do one more in the corner here. Okay, so now you're going to take glue. Sorry I didn't tell you that you need glue. And then you're going to glue your googly eyes just right onto the paper. If you can hear people talking in the background, it's just my You can choose to color it if you want, but I don't like coloring it because then I like shaking it and like seeing the eye. Just glue them on. I think I'm just gonna like do 2. I'm just gonna do 2. Like spray and like draw a smile with my pencil. And I'm gonna trace it with a pen or like a marker with red, just so it stands out and just looks like a heart. And you're done your first things, kind of like buttons or a poppet, I guess. But you're done. So the second thing we're gonna make is like a button, like kind of like a spring. So you'll need a pipe cleaner and paper and tape. So first you're going to like make it like a, I don't know what you call it, like a square almost, or not a square, like a square line, or like a straight line. Okay, that's what you call it. And then you're gonna like kind of turn it to make it look like a spring. See, like this. And keep making it like a spring. You can do it however big you want, however small you want. And at the end, you're gonna make another straight line and then cut it off. Yeah. So it should look like this. See, like it's like straight. And straight line here. So now you're gonna cut out a piece of paper that can fit. Shouldn't be that big, because you don't really need a big piece for this. Okay, just cut out one. It's a bit messy, but whatever. Then you're gonna use your tape, or you can use hot glue, I guess, and then just tape it right on. Okay, it might be a bit hard because tape. And my tape just folded up, so I had to fix it. Okay, see, so it's like this. It's like a spring. So now you can either leave it like this, or you can draw a little picture. I'm gonna draw like a little, I don't know, a smiley face. And then so like, and you can tape that on. Red. And draw a happy face. It's gonna be an emoji, so I'm just gonna cover it yellow. I actually don't know if there's an emoji like this. Just like so happy and cute. Here he is. So now I'm just going to cut him out. He's going to be on a piece of, he's going to be like in a square almost. Cut to the edge as close as possible. And then you're gonna tape it right on there. Then fold it if you need to. And I'm folding it so it's extra safe. And you can just like trim the edges. And your second fidget is done. It's like a snake. Doing, doing, doing. And then the next fidget we're gonna make is this. So all you'll need is some rubber bands and 2 popsicle sticks. Okay, so first you're gonna cross your popsicle sticks like an X. Then you're gonna take 1 rubber band and tie it, but I don't have rubber bands right now, so I'm just going to grab some. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm going to use some red ones this time. And they break easily, so I would like wrap it up quite a lot. Okay, I'm doing red just because it matches before I did brown, because it's the only thing I could find. Then I found some other rubber bands that I had. And you're just gonna tie it. Like this. See? It's kind of ready, you can kind of play with it. But then you're gonna tape, or not tape it, tie it the other way. Now your fidget is all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe. And yeah, bye.